Hey everyone, I'm Ricky.
And I'm Misu.
And this is In the Kitchen with RiKiMiSu. Today we're back with our favorite game, the Kid Food Nation Whatcha Makin challenge.
We each give each other an item and have 10 seconds to name 5 different things you can make with it.
And I totally got you this time.
Oh no.
Alright, I'll go first.
Okay, your item is an egg. Go!
Okay, egg salad, poached egg, fried egg.
Alright, wow, that was a lot.
Cooking egg. Scrambled eggs.
And time!
Okay, 4 is good.
That was excellent.
Thanks. Alright, your item is an onion. Go!
Okay, blooming onion, French onion soup. What else can you make with onion? Hot dogs. Just 2 more. Onion rings. And one more.
Time's up. Alright, so who won?
I think we tied. Why was now?
Well, we do have this perfectly good egg and this perfectly good onion, so...
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Omelet! Oh, and if you're looking for more fun videos, recipes, and more, check out kidfoodnation.com.
There are tons of good recipes that you and your family can try.